All right, so AWS CloudFront, what exactly is this service? It's a fast, secure, and scalable content delivery network that delivers data, videos, applications, and APIs to users with low latency and high transfer speeds. So when you go on to a website, right, and you can see the videos, for example, in our slides have text data, videos. It is an application called Canva. It's a web-based application. There's definitely some APIs making it easier for this application to talk to other parts of the software. Um, what's delivering all that data is called a CDN, or content delivery network. What is a CDN? It's a distributed network of servers that help deliver web content faster. So all these servers work together in a network, so that you can get the entire web page, the entire slide, the entire slideshow, for example, very quickly. Again, low latency and high transfer speeds. All right, so when you are delivering content all over the world, edge locations help improve that performance and reliability. Because as we saw, right, proximity to customers does matter. So how does AWS handle, right, when you have customers all over the world? Well, edge locations help improve that content delivery, that data delivery. How does it do it? So an AWS Edge location is a site that Amazon CloudFront uses to store cache copies of your content closer to your customers for faster delivery. So again, location still matters, but AWS comes up with some tricks by making copies of your data in different parts of the world. And these copies are cached or stored in edge locations. So edge locations help improve latency, speed, and availability by caching content closer to end users. Requests are routed to the nearest edge location rather than the origin server, reducing response time. So even though your app might be hosted in a different part of the world, you can still cache it in edge locations in different continents, different countries, different cities, etc. So let's take a look at this graphic. So suppose your company's data is stored in Brazil. So we have our Amazon EC2 instance running here in Brazil. But we have customers in China, right? Like as we saw, like Singapore, China. AWS delivers content all over the world, right? So even though your instance is here in South America, you can still deliver in Asia, and you can still deliver reliably and with speed because of this edge location. So this edge location is going to have some copies of that data stored here, so that when that customer does request it, right, that cache or that temporary storage, the customer is going to be able to request from here rather than having to wait for data to make its way through CloudFront all the way from Brazil. So edge locations, they just shorten the distance between your customers and data. And remember, the one delivering the data is Amazon CloudFront. It's a CDN, or content delivery network. So instead of requiring your customers to get their data from Brazil, you can cache a copy locally at the edge location that is close to customers in China. So when a customer in China requests one of your files, CloudFront's going to retrieve the file from the edge location. That's the cache, right? That's the temporary storage of the data, and it's going to deliver the file to the customer. Because it's way closer, it's going to be a lot faster. All right, so let's talk provisioning AWS. So go ahead and watch this video, this part one, and we'll pick up right after.